Digitalization is the essential next step in glass manufacturing. It's founded on the industry's high level of automation. With the digital manufacturing solutions provided by Tecnomatix Plant Simulation, Siemens is making a key element of digitalization available for the glass industry. Tecnomatix Plant Simulation lets users simulate the manufacturing sequence of an entire glass line. That means they can use the virtual representation of a plant to optimize its operation and maintenance in real time. The digital twin lets you perform a range of scenarios to test whether the production plant will meet the desired requirements. And thanks to Tecnomatix Plant Simulation, the opportunities are limitless. You can easily and conveniently monitor transport routes within the plant, as well as individual production stages like cutting of float glass. Individual plant units can be considered from any perspective. The simulated production speed can also be increased using quick motion. You quickly obtain robust information in this way that will then serve as a basis for your decisions. Tecnomatix also offers many other opportunities for monitoring, such as warehouse analysis. That means you can keep an eye on the status of your stocks at all times. How you benefit from using Tecnomatix Plant Simulation in float glass manufacturing. Tecnomatix helps you make the right decisions, reduce costs, and improve the efficiency of your plant. The program helps shorten your time to market by enabling end-to-end design and analysis of your entire plant. Tecnomatix smoothes your path to digitalization in the glass industry.